Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. My name is Yen and for today's video, I will be doing a student natural makeup for school because it is the time of the year and a lot of you have been requesting that I do one. So here it is, and also all the products that I use for this video will definitely be on the description box below. So please make sure to check that out and let's get started. I already applied my base makeup off camera, and basically what I use is the peripera blur pang in banana blur. So yeah, and then after that I'm just gonna go ahead and use a lightweight foundation. I'm not even sure if it's foundation because it's called skin blurring tint, and I highly suggest this if you're a student because it's so natural and it doesn't look like you're wearing any makeup at all. That's why I really like it. And as you guys can see, I'm just blending it using my beauty blender, and you have to blend this very well just because you don't want your makeup to be way too obvious, especially at school. During my time, they don't allow us to wear makeup, so this is very important. And the next step, as you guys can see, I'm just applying concealer on the areas where I have redness and also to cover up some blemishes that I have. And yeah, and also I'm just using my fingers because that's way easier. And the next step is to contour the sides of your face. I don't know, this is not called contouring, this is called shading, because contouring is a lot more darker than this, or like extreme. Shade your face. And then after that, you can skip this step, but for me I'd like to contour the sides of my nose. And yeah. Okay, so after shading your face, now it's time for eyebrows. And for eyebrows, I don't suggest that you do a very precise, like on flick brows, just because it's not gonna look very natural. So as you guys can see, I'm just filling in the spars, and yeah. Next step is I'm just gonna go ahead and apply a nude eyeshadow all over my lids as well as on my eye pillow. Okay, now using a dark brown eyeshadow, I'm just gonna go ahead and apply it on the inner corners of my lids as well as on the outer corners. It will serve as my eyeliner, and yeah, I'm using eyeshadow just because I want it to look a lot more natural and a lot more softer. And because we want it to look a lot more natural, what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna go ahead and blend everything together. Okay, so after that, using a darker color of eyeshadow, I'm just gonna apply it on the outer corners of my eyes where I usually draw in my eyeliner. And then I'm just gonna blend everything together using a light colored eyeshadow, light brown colored. Okay, now it's time to curl your lashes, and as you guys can see, I'm just curling my lashes, and then after that, I'm gonna apply some mascara. And for mascara, I don't suggest that you do it like way too extra. I highly suggest that you use a mascara that is like natural as possible. So yeah. Now it's time for blush, and for blush, I'm just using a natural coral tone of blush, and I'm just gonna like slightly pat the brush on my cheeks so it's not gonna look way too extreme. Now using a nude lipstick, I'm just gonna go ahead and apply it all over my lips, and then I'm gonna use my finger to blend it in. And then after that, using a natural colored, like red colored lip tint, I'm just gonna apply it at the center part of my lips and then blend everything together. Oh, and that's it. You're done. Super easy, super simple. So if you guys are in a hurry in the morning, you don't have to worry because I gotcha. Okay guys, so I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave a comment down below if you guys enjoyed it. And yeah, I'll see you on my next video. Bye.